In this tutorial, I'll show you how to work with columns in Weebly. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com. Then sign in to your Weebly account. Click Website, select Edit Site and choose the website you want to edit. Then click Edit to open the Weebly editor. Once you're in the editor, make sure you're on the Build tab. This is where all your layout elements are available. To create columns, drag any element from the left panel onto your page. Then drag another element next to it, either to the left or right side. When you move the element close to the edge, Weebly will show a highlight indicating a column placement. Drop the element there to create a column layout. You can repeat this process to add more columns using text, images, buttons, or any other elements. Weebly will automatically arrange them side by side. To adjust the column width, drag the divider between the columns until you get the layout you want. You can also move elements between columns by dragging and repositioning them. Preview your page to make sure everything looks good on both desktop and mobile devices. When you are satisfied, click Publish to save your changes. That's how to work with columns in Weebly. Thanks for watching.